In this video, I will show you how to fix RCS feature not working in Google Messages. First thing that you need to do is go to Play Store, search for Google Messages, then check if there is any update available. If there is, then click on Update. After it's done updating, click on Open. Now in the top right corner, you will see your profile icon. Click on it. If you scroll down below, you will find Messages Setting. Click on it. Then at the top, you will find RCS Chats. Click on it. Here you can see Turn on RCS Chats. Turn it on. Sometimes the problem might be your SIM card not supporting it. For example, in my case, my SIM card does not support RCS Chats. That's why it shows not supported. But in most cases, after you update the app and turn that toggle on, it should start working. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.